Give me paper. Repeater, repeater. So R. Up to 20 we finished. Now 21. 21. Initial velocity is 7. Acceleration is 4. Distance covered in fifth second. So S fifth, Snth formula use. U plus A by 2 into 2n minus 1. So U is 7, A is 4. So 2 into 5 minus 1. 7 plus 2 into 9. 7 plus 18. 25 meter. Note down. 21st question. 22. Velocity. Yes. 20 plus zero point 0.1 into t square. Now you have to tell acceleration is uniform, 0 or non-uniform. First you find acceleration. How will you find acceleration? Differentiate. So 0 plus 0 0.1 into 2t. Now acceleration depends on time. So non-uniform acceleration. Acceleration is non-uniform. Note down. Particle moves with uniform acceleration, travels 24 meter and 64 meter in first two consecutive intervals of 4 seconds. Okay, see here only I am doing, no problem. So first 4 second, how much it is covering? 24 meter. Next 4 second, how much it is covering? 64 meter. How it is covering more distance? Because speed is increasing. Speed increasing. So first 4 second it will cover less. Next 4 second will cover more. Speed increasing. Initial speed you have to find, and this is A, B, C. A to B, B to C. Okay, or A to B, A to C. Tell me, A to B, A to C, because both equation U is there. See, use this. S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Use this. So A to B. Use A to B. What do you write? 24 is equal to ut u into 4 plus half a t square. Acceleration is not there, right? Given? Not given. Not given. Now A to C. Tell me A to C, what do you write? Total. 24 plus 64 is equal to ut u into 8. Correct, good. Plus half a 8 square. Now this is 88 is equal to 8u plus a by 2 into 64. Now, so now you can solve like this. So this is 23. Okay, you can solve like this. See, first equation, using first equation you can do like this: 24 minus 4u is equal to half a into 4 square. And second equation you can write like this: 88 minus 8u is equal to half a into 64. Okay, now divide these two. Now divide, so this by this, 24 minus 4u by 88 minus 8u. A by 2 cancel. 16 by 64, what is 16 by 64? 1 by 4. Take 4 common here. So 6 minus u. Take 8 common. 11 minus u is equal to 1 by 4. So this is 4 into 4, 16. 16 by 8, 2. So 2 into 6 minus u is equal to 11 minus u. So 12 minus 2u is equal to 11 minus u. So what is u? 12 minus 11. 12 minus 11, 1. Copy this. 24th also SNth. 24th, use SNth formula. Use SNth formula. 5th second. So u plus a by 2, 2 into 5 minus 1. 4 into 9. 36. Clear? Any doubt? 25. Car moving with velocity 10. U is 10. Can be stopped. So final velocity 0 by force F in distance 20. So distance is 20. If velocity is 30, it can be stopped by this force in. So use v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now in first case, what is the equation? First case, final velocity 0, initial 10, acceleration, it is retardation actually, retardation it is. So a into s. Second case, what is second case? What is final velocity? 0. Initial velocity, second case 30 is equal to 2 into retardation into distance. Suppose new distance is d2. Now divide these two equations. So minus 100 by minus 900, minus 100 by minus 900 is equal to 20 by d2. Okay. So what is d2? Minus minus cancel. 180. Okay. It will stop in 180 meter. Note down. 26. Displacement x is equal to 2t square plus t plus 5. What is the acceleration at 2 seconds? So first you find velocity, differentiate this, 4t plus 1 plus 0, correct? Now acceleration, differentiate this, so 4 plus 0. So acceleration is 4. So acceleration is 4, it is constant. Acceleration is constant at all the times. At all times. This is uniform acceleration. This is known as uniform acceleration. Okay, when acceleration is constant, it is uniform acceleration. But non-uniform motion. Motion is non-uniform. Remember this. Motion is non-uniform. Acceleration is uniform, but motion is non-uniform. 27. Body start from rest. So u is 0. What is the ratio of distance traveled in 4th and 3rd second? So s 4th. Now SNth formula again. What is SNth formula? U plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. So u is 0. So s 4th will be 0 plus a by 2 2 into 4 minus 1. And S third, what is S third? 0 plus A by 2 into 2 into 3 minus 1. Correct? Note down. Solve this, you will get your answer. What is the answer? Tell me. S fourth by S third. A by 2 cancel. 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Again 28th. S is equal to T cube plus 6T square plus 3T plus 4. So find velocity first, differentiate it. 3T square plus 12T plus 3. Again differentiate 6T plus 12. Now find velocity when acceleration is 0. Now put acceleration equal to 0. So 6T plus 12 is equal to 0. So what is, so 6T is equal to minus 12. I think some misprint is there. Maybe minus sign is there. Here minus sign should be there. You replace it. Suppose minus sign is there. Here minus sign is there. Here minus sign. Here minus sign. Here minus sign. So time you will get 2. If time is 2, so what is velocity? 3 into 2 is square minus 12 into 2 plus 3. So 12 minus 24 plus 3. So minus 9, minus 9, which is there in option. So misprint is there, okay, ask for the grace, okay. If any misprint is there, you can tell grace. Misprint is there, note down. So T cube minus 6T square, note down, T cube minus 6T square here. Note down, copy 29, now 29. Particle travels 10 meter in first 5 seconds, 10 meter in next 3 seconds, 10 meter in 5 seconds, 10 meter in next 3 seconds. So what is the total distance? Acceleration is constant. So suppose initial velocity is u, in 5 seconds it is covering 10 meter, next 3 seconds it is covering 10 meter, what is the distance covered in next 2 seconds? So this is 2 seconds. Suppose distance covered is s. So you do one thing. Suppose this point is A, this point is A, this is B, this is C. Wait. This is A, B, C, D. Now A to B, B to C, and C to A. You apply V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. No, wait. Time is there, acceleration not there. Your initial velocity is common. If you take A to B, A to C, A to D, the initial velocity is same for all, right? Don't take B to C or C to A. Take A to B, A to C, A to D, and use S is equal to ut plus half at square. That is better. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Because time is given. A to B, what is time? 5 seconds. And U is U. and distance is 10. So what you write? 10 is equal to u into 5 plus half a into 5 square. Now a to c, what you write? A to c, tell me. A to c, what you write? A to c, tell me. A to c. A to c. U into total time. A to c, total time. 8. And total distance? 20. 20 is equal to u into 8 plus half a. Now time. So 8 square. Now A to D. A to D total distance 20 plus S. 20 plus S is equal to U into T. Total time 10 seconds. So U into 10 plus half A 10 square. Okay. So 3 equations. Now again you do one thing, you write this on the left side, 10 minus 5U is equal to A by 2 into 25. Write like this here also, 20 minus 8U is equal to A by 2 into 64. Now divide these two, you will get U. So 10 minus 5U by 20 minus 8U is equal to 25 by 64. Okay, now take 5 common in the numerator, 2 minus U. Take 4 common in the denominator, 5 minus 2U. 5 into 5 by 64. Okay, so 4 cancel here, 16 times, and this 5 cancel. Understood? 2 minus U by 5 minus 2U is equal to 5 by 16. Cross multiply. So 32 minus 16U is equal to 25 minus 10U. So 6U is equal to 7. So U is equal to 7 by 6. Now again you have to find A. A also you have to find. Calculation is more actually. So find A using this. So 10 minus 5 into 7 by 6 is equal to 25A by 2. Okay, solve this. So 60 minus 35, 25. 25 by 6 is equal to 25A by 2. So A is equal to 1 by 3, correct? A is equal to 1 by 3. Now put A value here and U value here. So 20 plus S is equal to U into 10 plus A by 2. So 1 by 6 into 10 square. Take 10 by 6 common. 7 plus 10. So 5 by 3 into 17. So this will be S is equal to 5 into 17 by 3 minus 20. 17 into 5 how much? 85. So 85 by 3 minus 20. So 85 minus 60 by 3. How much? 25 by 3. 25 by 3. 25 by 3. 8 point something. Okay. So lengthy question it is. Lengthy, long question it is. More time taking. This type of questions takes more time. Okay. Okay. Lengthy question. Okay. Next 30. Note down. So 30 we are doing now. 30. So 3t is equal to root 3x plus 6. When velocity is 0, what is the displacement? Find displacement when velocity is 0. So what is root 3x? 3t minus 6. Very good. Now remove the root, square root. 3x is equal to 3t minus 6 whole square. Open this. So 9t square plus 36 minus 36t, correct? Now divide by 3. So x is equal to 3t square plus 12 minus 12t. So what is velocity? Differentiate this. Differentiate this. 60 plus 0 minus 12. So you have v is equal to 60 minus 12. Now they are saying velocity is 0. So 60 minus 12 is 0. So t is 2. When t is 2, what is x? Put t 2 here, t equal to 2 here. 3 into 2 square plus 12 minus 12 into 2. So 12 plus 12 minus 24, 0. So 0. Displacement is 0. Note down. (31) is again same question we discussed. Train stops suddenly. Passengers in the running train feel an instant jerk in the forward direction because of upper body is continuously in motion. So inertia of motion for upper body, upper part of the body. Inertia of motion for upper part of body. Okay. Inertia is the property of this repeated question. Huh? Okay, 32 we have discussed. 33 also. Newton's first law describes inertia. 35 discussed, 36 over 37, 38, 39. Same questions, 40 also, 41. Okay, solve 41. This is the heavy rope. This is the heavy rope. What is the tension at x distance from the end where force is acting? Oh, this is also repeated. Repeated one. Okay. 42 also same. Okay, 43 also same. All are same. 40? All are same. We have discussed. Okay. Okay. Any question you want? Any question? Okay. So now give me RR. Give me RR. We'll finish it. Give me question. And which question? Tell me which question? 26. See, AT graph is given. 26. AT graph is given. This is 10. Here it is 11. What is initial velocity? Rest. Particle start from rest. What is initial acceleration? 10. So acceleration is decreasing, but it is not 0. Acceleration is decreasing, but not 0. Acceleration is not 0. It is there. So velocity is increasing, decreasing or constant? Tell me. Acceleration is not 0. So velocity increasing, decreasing or not 0? See, what is initial velocity? 0. And acceleration, initial acceleration? t is equal to 0, what is acceleration? 10. So you have acceleration not 0. So velocity will increase, okay? Velocity increases because acceleration is positive. Acceleration is positive, okay? And initial velocity is 0. So the car will go right side. This is the car. It will accelerate right side, okay? Start from rest. Car will start from rest. It will accelerate right side. So velocity will increase. Why velocity will increase? Tell me. Because acceleration is not 0. Acceleration is there. So velocity will increase, okay? So velocity will increase. What is initial velocity? 0. Now find area. Area under AT graph, tell me. What is the formula? Area under AT graph, change in velocity. Now at 11 second, what is the acceleration? 0. So velocity will increase up to 11 seconds. Up to 11 second, velocity will increase. After that, what is the acceleration? 0. After that, acceleration is 0. So after 11 seconds, acceleration is 0. So velocity will become constant. After 11 second, velocity will be constant because what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration after 11 second? 0. So velocity will be constant. So note down. So maximum velocity here, minimum here, 0. Here velocity 0. Here to here velocity increasing, and maximum velocity here. Note down. So velocity is increasing, and here to here velocity constant. Velocity constant, okay? So change in velocity is equal to area. Now find area, half into base into height. So half into 11 into 10, how much? 55. So change in velocity means final minus initial. So maximum velocity minus 0, initial 0. So what is the maximum speed? 55. Note down. If acceleration is there, velocity will increase. Remember, when acceleration is there, acceleration is positive, right side, so velocity will increase. Velocity will increase. Okay, 27. Car accelerates from rest at constant rate alpha for some time, after which it decelerates at constant rate beta. So this is acceleration. It is divided into two parts. Okay, motion is divided into two parts. First part is acceleration. Second part is retardation. Deceleration, like a signal. When you see green signal, you accelerate your car. Again, you see red signal, then you stop your car. Braking. Deceleration means brakes. Acceleration means speed increasing. Correct? Okay. So what is the speed here? 0. Maximum speed v1. Again, after here, velocity will be 0. Rest. Rest to maximum speed to rest. So what is the value of acceleration? Alpha. And what is the value of retardation? Beta. So acceleration you can write minus beta. Okay, are you getting or not? So motion is right side. So retardation means acceleration left side. So negative acceleration. Retardation means it is opposite to velocity. Velocity right side. So acceleration is opposite. Okay. Now what is the time? Time given or not? Not given. So let's say this time is t1. What is t here? Total time. Okay, here to here t1 and total time is t. So what is the time during retardation? T minus t1. Very good. So you have to find maximum velocity v1. You have to find v1. Okay, use V is equal to U plus AT, and one time you use A to B. This is A, this is B, C. If you use A to B, what you write? A to B, this equation A to B, V1 is equal to 0 plus alpha T1. Now write B to C. B to C you write, tell me. 0 is equal to V1 minus beta into time taken. What is time taken, B to C? T minus T1. Very good. Now find T1 here and here, both sides. So V1 is equal to alpha T1 here, and here V1 is equal to beta T minus T1. Okay. Now find T1 here and put it here. So you can solve like this. You can solve like this. V1 by beta is equal to T minus T1, and T1 is V1 by alpha. Now take this left side, V1 by beta plus V1 by alpha is equal to T. V1 common, 1 by beta plus 1 by alpha is equal to T. Now how to solve this? What is the answer? Alpha plus beta by alpha beta, correct? Is equal to T. So what is V1? Alpha beta T by alpha plus. Be clear, understood? Alpha beta T by alpha plus beta. So note down. Stone dropped from building, height h, reaches, a stone dropped from building, height h, reaches after time t on earth. From same building, two stones are thrown up, one up, other down, with same u, same initial velocity u. They reach earth in T1 and T2. We have done this derivation in class. So 28th, suppose this is the drop, it is reaching the ground. How much time it is taking? T. So what is the formula for time taken when it is dropped from height h? Root 2h by g. Very good. Now the same stone is thrown up with velocity u. Then it will go up and then come back. It will go up, then it will come back. So total time. What is the total time? A direct formula is there. Tell me. U by g into bracket. Tell me, tell me. Root 1 plus 1 plus root of u square. Correct. Okay. Now this ball is thrown down with velocity u. So it will come down like this. So what is the formula for this time? U by g, bracket, tell me, what is the answer? 1 minus, or this minus the 1? This minus this. Okay, root of 1 plus 2gh by u square minus 1. Now you do one thing. This is, okay. G T1 by u. What is G T1 by u? G T1 by u. G T1 by u is 1 plus this. 1 plus square root of 1 plus 2gh by u square, and g T2 by u, root of 1 plus 2gh by u square minus 1. Okay. So now add these two, multiply. Multiply, yes, yes, multiply, correct, correct. Multiply, good. Multiply this, very good. Multiply, so this a plus b into a minus b, okay. So gt1 by u into gt2 by u is equal to multiply a plus b, a minus b. Now tell me a square minus b square. So root will be gone. So 1 plus 2gh by u square root square of this minus 1 square. Understood? So 1 plus 2gh by u square minus 1. 1 cancel. And g square t1 t2 by u square. So 1 1 cancel. So what is the answer? T1 T2 u square also cancel. T1 T2 is 2gh by g square. So 2h by g, and 2h by g is t square. So T1 T2 is equal to t square. Okay, clear? So you memorize this. Remember this. Okay, square root of T1 T2 is equal to 2. Clear? That's right. Okay, very good. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, very important question of motion in 1D. Okay, very important. Just remember this. All these three formula. Okay, fine. Next, ball is projected upward with from height h. Time taken, again same question. It is ball is projected up. So this is the formula. So u by g outside 1 plus square root 1 plus 2gh by u square. Third option. Ball particle is dropped vertically. Initial velocity 0 when you drop. Time taken by it to fall through successive distance 1 meter. Successive distance means 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. T1, T2, T3. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So first 1 meter it will cover in time T1. Next 1 meter it will cover in time T2. Next 1 meter it will cover in time T3. So you consider A, B, C, A, B, C, D. Now what is initial velocity? 0 when you drop. Now consider A to B, A to C, A to D. A to B, A to C, A to D. What is the advantage? What is the benefit? Good thing. U is 0, correct? A to B, don't take B to C. C to D don't take. Why? We don't know what is velocity here, but we know velocity here. So A to B, A to C, A to D. Understood? A to B, tell me. S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Tell me. U is 0. So S is equal to half a t square. Correct. Good. So minus 1. A is minus G. Okay. A is minus. So minus G by 2 into T1 square. So 1 minus minus cancel. So 1 is equal to G by 2 T1 square. A to C, what you write? A to C. Minus 2. Again minus minus cancel. So 2 is equal to G by 2. Time taken. Time taken. T1 plus T2. Very good. Whole square. Then A to D 3 meter. G by 2 T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay, solve like this. So, so I am writing here. So T1 is equal to square root of 2 by G. T1 plus T2 is square root of 4 by G. Then 4 I am writing root 2 into root 2. Okay, root 2 into 2. This is okay, clear? And T1 plus T2 plus T3. What is this? 6 by G. Again separate 6, 2 and 2, 3. So root 3 into root 2 by root G. Okay, clear? Now T1 is this and T1 plus T2 is this. So you can write like this. T2 will be root 2 times of root 2 by G minus T1. T1 is this. Root 2 times of, okay, wait. Root 2 by G is X. Okay. So what is T1 plus T2? Root 2x. And what is T1 plus T2 plus T3? Root 3x. So now find T1, find T2. So T2 is equal to root 2x minus T1. Root 2x minus x. So root 2 minus 1 into x. Now T1 plus T2 you can put here. Put here. Root 2x plus T3 is equal to root 3x. So what is T3? Root 3 minus root 2 into x. So what is the ratio? T1 is to T2 is to T3. T1 is to T2 is to T3. So what is the ratio? What is the ratio? 1 is to root 2 minus 1 is to root 3 minus 1. Okay, you memorize this. 1 is to, in a formula diary also you write down. So this is the answer. So distances are same. 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. What if I say times are same? If times are same, then how will you solve? So first time t, next time t, next time t. Distance is s1, s2, s3. Then how will you solve? S1 is equal to half gt square. S1 plus S2 is equal to half g 2t whole square. Very good. And S1 plus S2 plus S3 is equal to half g 3t whole square. Okay, then you can solve, you can find relation. S1 is to S2 is to S3. What is the answer? You know the answer? For distances, when times are equal, what are the ratio of distances? 1 is to 3 is to 5. Correct. 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay. Just note down this also in short. This is your formula diary. It is important. Short tricks. Okay. Short tricks you write in formula diary. Okay. Understood? In this question, given question, distances are equal, time ratio they are asking, T1, T2, T3. In this question, times are same, distances they are asking. You remember 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, clear? Okay, next. So 31, no doubt. 31. Man throws ball with same speed vertically up one after other at interval 2 seconds. So what should be speed of throw so that more than 2 balls are in sky? See, with one hand it is throwing ball and catching from other. Now this is the first ball. First ball throwing. The ball will go like this. It will come here, correct? So first ball is here. How many balls in air right now? First ball is here only. Time is 0. So 0 balls in air, correct? So now second ball it is throwing. So first ball will be where? Maybe here or here, correct? So time taken is given actually. What is the time taken? Interval 2 seconds. Correct, 2 seconds. So Man throws, how much time it will take to reach topmost? Wait, man throws ball with same speed vertically upward one after other. Interval is given 2 seconds. So that more than 2 balls are there in sky. Okay. So suppose first ball is here. Okay, this is at topmost point. This is topmost point. Then now third ball it is throwing with speed u. Now second ball will be here, and first ball it is catching. Other hand is catching the first ball. First ball catched. First ball catched. So you consider in air only. So just from air, catched, ball catched just from air. So third is about to throw, second and first is still in air. Third about to throw. Okay. So second and first is still in air. Second and first still in air. You can assume this is still in air. Okay. So total time of flight, how much? 4 seconds. Very good. Now what is the formula for time of flight? Vertical throw. Vertical throw. 2u by g. So time of flight is 2u by g. So time of flight is should be more than 4 seconds or less than 4 seconds. Tell me. They are saying more than 2 balls in sky. More than 2 balls in sky. So right now 2 balls. If more balls in sky, it means what? So time interval t is equal to u by g. So it is 4 seconds. So when 2 balls in sky, total time of flight is 4 seconds. If 3 balls are there, means the time of flight will be more. Time of flight will be more. Okay. So 2u by g must be more than 4. 2u by g must be more than 4 seconds. See, suppose this is third, this is second, and this is first. Now this is suppose fourth, third is here, second is here, first is here. So here to here it will take t, and it will go to the topmost point and come back here. So this time is t, and this time is also t. So what is total time now? T, T, T. So 3t. So 3t is equal to T, T, T. So 3t is equal to 2u by g. So this is the time of flight. So are you getting? So now time interval is how much? 2 seconds. So total time is 6, correct? So this is 6 is equal to 2u by g. So time of flight is more. Are you getting? If more than 2 balls are in air, so what is the time of flight? 6. So it is more than 4 seconds. Correct? More than 2t. More than 2t. 2 into 2. It is 3t. 3 into 2. Correct or not? Here it is 3. Here it is 2 into 2. So when less balls are in air, it is 2 into 2. When more balls in air, it is 3 into 2. Understood? So time of flight will be, if more balls in air means time of flight will be more than 2 into 2. Okay. So now what is the value of G? 9.8 is greater than 4. So U by 9.8 is greater than 2. U by 9.8 is greater than 2. So what is so U must be greater than 9.8 into 2, how much? 19.6. U must be greater than 19.6. Note down. Okay, ball is thrown vertically upward. Ball is thrown upward with U. Distance covered during the last t seconds of its ascent. The ball is thrown like this. Ball is thrown with U. Last t seconds. So this is the last t seconds. So last t second of ascent is same as first t seconds of descent. How much distance here? Same distance here. This you know. What is when it is coming down? What is velocity? 0. So what is this distance? Half gt square. So last t second, how much it will go? Half gt square. Okay. A small block slides without friction on inclined plane from rest. Sn by Sn plus 1. What is Sn? U is 0. U is 0 initially at rest. What is Sn? Half a n square. And Sn plus 1. What is Sn plus 1? Tell me what is Sn plus 1? Half a n plus 1 square. Oh, sorry. Sn is distance traveled from n minus 1 to n. Sn is equal to distance traveled from n minus 1 to n, means this is nth second. This is nth second, correct or not? 0 to 1 is known as first second, 1 to 2 second, 2 to 3 third second. So n minus 1 to n second. So Sn means Snth here. So what is the formula for Snth? U plus a by 2 to n minus 1. And U is 0. So a by 2 to n minus 1. So what is Sn plus 1? What is Sn plus 1? A by 2 into 2 into. Now write n plus 1 here. Understood? Now find the ratio. Find ratio Sn by Sn plus 1. Tell me. This by this. A by 2 cancel. Solve. 2n plus 1. Correct. Good. Note down. 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1. Then you have VT graph is there. You have to find distance traveled. So area area under the graph. Area under VT graph. Area under VT graph is equal to displacement. Okay, velocity time graph. So just find area. Now all the areas are positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. this is 20 here, 20 meter per second velocity, and here it is 10 meter per second. So you can solve triangle. You can solve first. So this is half into base to height. Okay, understood. Then you have rectangle. So length into breadth. Then you have how you are solving triangle or trapezium. Okay, no problem. Solve triangle. So triangle, this is half into base to height. 20 minus 10, 10. So 5. Now you have two rectangles. So this is 1 into 10. 1 into 10. Then you have one more rectangle. 1 into 10. So what is the total? 10 plus 20 plus 5. So 35 plus 10, 45 plus 10, 55. Note down. Ball is thrown vertically upward, which is correct VT graph. Ball is thrown upward, so velocity is positive or negative? Positive. So which graph is not possible? C is not possible because initial velocity is a 0. Arrow is also going like this. I will draw first. See. When ball is thrown upward, topmost point velocity 0. Suppose 10 meter per second you have thrown. So topmost point velocity 0. Again it will come back. So ascent, this is known as ascent, then it will come back. So initial velocity 0, now it is coming back. So velocity is negative, coming back velocity negative, going up velocity positive. So this A option is wrong. Why A option is wrong? Why A option is wrong? Tell me. Because velocity is positive, decreasing, topmost point velocity 0. After that velocity should be negative. Here it is showing positive. It means this is wrong. So actually this is what graph they are writing? Speed time graph. So this is speed time graph. Okay, it is correct. Speed time graph correct, but not velocity time graph. Not velocity. Now B option. What is B option? So B option is like this, like this. So if you see, this is time axis, this is velocity. What is the problem in this? At one time, two velocity is not possible. See, this is the time. This velocity possible. Suppose it is +2 and this is -2. So at one instant, +2 and -2 velocity possible or not? At one instant, particle is going right and left. Is it possible? No. It is going either right or left. Okay. So at one instant, moment, at one instant, two velocities not possible. At one instant, two velocities not possible. So that's why B is wrong. Okay, understood? Then what is the C graph? Now same problem, at one time instant two velocities are not possible. Two velocities not possible one time. Okay, so C is wrong. D is correct. This is the graph. Initial velocity positive, velocity decreasing, becomes 0. After that velocity is negative. Positive, 0, negative. Okay. Straight line. Acceleration is same. What is the acceleration? Minus g. So slope is minus g. Okay, clear. Okay, next 36. You have to tell OA, OA, AB, BC, CD, acceleration. So this is what graph? Displacement time graph is given. So displacement time. Like this. O. Oh, that is horizontal. Okay, AB is horizontal. Now this is the horizontal. After that it is like this. Okay. So OA, AB. Oh, C to D is also a straight line. Okay, okay. C to D is also a straight line. Now after that straight line is there. Like this. This is straight line. What is this? Parabola. This is straight line. What is this? Parabola. Now velocity increasing or decreasing? O to A. Slope is increasing, decreasing? Decreasing. So velocity decreasing. A to B slope is constant. Now B to C slope increasing. Slope increasing. So velocity increasing. You know this. This is the tangent. This is the tangent. Here less slope. Here more slope. Okay, understood? Less angle means less slope. More angle means more slope. Velocity decreasing means acceleration negative. It is retardation. Here acceleration 0. Here acceleration positive. Again here velocity is constant. So acceleration 0. Then how will you write? Negative 0, positive 0. Negative 0, positive. It is good question. Okay. Past year also I think 2022 one question was there like this. You check it. So 37. Maximum acceleration 37. So graph questions are very important. Okay. Practice. So this is 20 seconds. This is 20 meter per second. Now this is 30. 40. And what is velocity here? 80. Then it is coming down here. This is 80. Okay, fine. Now here what is acceleration? A slope. Find slope opposite by adjacent. How much opposite? 20. Adjacent 20. So plus 1. What is acceleration here? 0. VT graph means acceleration is slope. Okay. VT graph acceleration slope. Right. Here what is the acceleration? Now you will solve this. How much is this value? This 60 and this 10. So what is the acceleration? 60 by 10. So 6. Acceleration 6. Now calculate for this. Now acceleration positive or negative? It is negative. Okay. If line is like this is positive slope. If line is like this is negative slope. So this is negative slope. Now calculate alpha. Tan alpha. What is tan alpha? 80. 80 by this 40. So what is the acceleration means? Slope. And slope means minus tan alpha. Means minus 2 Are you getting? So this portion, what is the acceleration? Plus 1. This portion 0. This portion 6. This portion minus 2. So see magnitude. Magnitude of acceleration. What is magnitude of acceleration? 1. What is magnitude? 0. Magnitude of acceleration 6. Magnitude 2. So more magnitude where? Here. 6. More magnitude. It is given in centimeter per second square. Okay. Now 38 also graph. Okay, so copy this. So AB parabola, BC straight line, CD straight line, DC parabola. Okay, so parabola means velocity not constant. Okay, it is displacement time graph. So see, it is recorded, right? Okay, just make sure it is recorded. Sometimes I will forget, because you can revise it. For revision it is important. Okay, keep watching again and again, you can watch. Okay, so this is the parabola. Now this is straight. What is this? Parabola or straight line? BC. Okay, let's draw like this. So it is not clear. No force. Oh, CD is a straight line. CD is a straight line. This is C, this is D. Okay, A, B, C, D. CD is clearly straight line. So velocity constant. Velocity constant. Displacement time graph. Slope is constant here. So velocity constant. So acceleration 0. So force is 0. 38 question. Okay, 39. Variation of speed with time. So find area, you will get distance. In this case, speed time graph is there. Speed time graph. Speed time graph distance means area. So find area, you will get. Okay, so it is like this. So this is 2, 10, 12, and this is 3.6 meter per second. Okay, so solve this. So you'll get triangle, calculate triangle, half into base into height. Now rectangle, calculate. So 8 into 3.6, correct. Then you have again triangle, half into base into height. 3.6, 3.6 and 8 into 3.6. 3.6 plus 8 into 3.6 plus 3.6. This will be 10 into 3.6, right? 10 into 3.6, 1 plus 8 plus 1. 10 into 3.6, 36. So 36 meter. Now 40th. 40th, what is given? AT graph. So 40th. AT graph is given like this. See, it is given like this. So AT, here to here acceleration constant, positive. Here to here acceleration 0. Again here to here positive. So VT graph. So positive acceleration means slope positive. 0 acceleration means straight line parallel to time axis. Again positive acceleration, it will be like this. Okay, positive acceleration, 0 acceleration, positive acceleration. Okay, are you getting? Okay, note down. Positive acceleration, 0 acceleration, positive acceleration. Positive slope, VT graph. Slope is acceleration. VT graph slope is acceleration. Slope of Vt is acceleration. So positive 0, positive. So third option. What is the problem in first option? First option, what is the problem here? Vt graph, positive 0, negative. Okay, acceleration. And what is the problem in second option? What is the problem here? Negative 0, positive. And fourth option, what is the problem? Negative 0, negative. Okay. Copy this. Now 41. Note down. Ship of mass is given 3 into 10 power 7. Force is given 5 into 10 power 4. So you can find acceleration F by m. So 5 into 10 power 4 by 3 into 10 power 7. So 5 by 3 into 10 power minus 3. This is acceleration. Distance is given 3 meter. Initial velocity 0. Initially at rest. Find final velocity. Final velocity. So which formula? A S U V. Which formula? V square minus U square 2as. Very good. So V square minus 0 square is 2a S. 3 3 cancel. So V square is 10 into 10 power minus 3. So 10 power total combined. Tell me combined power minus 2. V square 10 power minus 2. So what is V? 10 power minus 1. So V is equal to 0.1. So 42. See, F1, F2, F3 are acting on particle. F2, F3 are perpendicular. See, suppose this is F2 and this is F3. They are perpendicular. And third force also there. And particle is in equilibrium. So third force should be like this or like this. Where? Up or down? Where? Down, this way. This is F1 vector. Lami's theorem, correct? Okay, so this is the situation. So F1 vector plus F2 vector plus F3 vector is equal to 0. So this is case 1. This is case 1. Now what is case 2? Note down what is case 2? F1 is removed. Now remove F1. F1 vector remove. Okay, so F2 vector is there and F2 vector is there, F3 is there. Understood? Now you tell me it is stationary or it will accelerate? Accelerate because F1 is removed. So resultant of these two will act. So what is the net force? F2 vector plus F3 vector is equal to net force. And net force is equal to mass into acceleration. And F2 vector plus F3 vector can be written as, you find using this, F2 plus F3, what is this? Take right side, minus F1. So minus F1 vector is equal to m into A vector. So what is A vector? Minus F1 vector by m. Are you getting? So magnitude, what is the acceleration magnitude? Magnitude F1 by m. Okay, magnitude. They are asking acceleration magnitude. Okay, note down. Arrangement. Okay, this is I will teach. This is grace marks you take. 43 out of syllabus is there. Okay, I will teach. Write down grace. So 44, 45. So 44, you see 44. So one pulley is here. Here is M. Here is M. Now with vertical, what angle it is making? Theta. And here you have connected a block root 2M. So it is in equilibrium. The blocks are in equilibrium. Okay. So what is tension here? T1. Here tension M, downward mg. Here tension T2, downward mg. Now this is the same string. So here T1, and this is the same string. So here T1 and here T2. Okay, T2. Now you take components. Right side component, tell me this. T1 cos or sine? Right side. T1 sine theta. Upward component. T1 cos theta. Very good. For T2, T2 cos theta up, T2 sine theta left. And downward, what is the force? Root 2 mg. Now they are equal. So proof T1 equal to T2. Proof. Note down. T2 is equal to T1, and these two will add, and T1, T2 are equal. So I can say 2 T1 cos theta is equal to root 2 mg, and T1 is equal to mg. So 2 mg cos theta is equal to root 2 mg. Okay, understood. Mg cancel. Cos theta is root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. Okay, so theta is 45 degree. Okay, note down. So note down. This is string tension T2. This is string tension T1. Okay, T1 cos theta, T2 cos theta, T1 sin theta, T2 sin theta. Cancel, balanced. So T1 is equal to T2. Okay. 45 we have done in class. That clamp force, correct? Clamp force. What is the answer? Fourth option. Fourth is correct. Fourth. Okay, now you have another subject. So we'll continue.